Hey everyone, we got unboxing today. This is my second Holly Jolly Rock Santa. We got another one off eBay, and I'm hoping it's gonna be a high pitch one, but I don't know. Oh, of course. Wow. Oh wow. Oh my god, this one's arm is loose too, just like my other one was. Oh, wow. And his hat. Whoa, he's really dusty. Yes, it's really high pitched, but the volume cuts off. Sweet, now I have a medium pitch and a high pitch. I don't know which way the hat goes on. I think it's that way. For some reason, to me, the higher pitch one sounds a little better, and usually I like the lower pitch ones more. Somebody waits for you. It's the ones for me.